Alright everybody, welcome to camp. This is Outdoor Rushes. I'm Kimberly and Jake is fixing what can only be described as a backlash in my fly reel. I don't know how it happened. I haven't used it in forever though. But this weekend we are camping up just below the rim. We found a nice little creek, so we're gonna try and catch some fish right now. We've got Aspen all harnessed up. Where are you? She was in the car over 2 hours and really hated it. We're gonna go see if there's any fishies and then just have a nice relaxing weekend in the woods. No service, so it's gonna be magical. Stay tuned, make sure you are subscribed, and we'll see you out at the creek.
Alright, we ain't got much time left in the day, but we're gonna see if there's any fish in this creek.
How big were the fish you saw?
Normal stalkers. No.
We'll just go to the pool where you saw all the fish.
Let's walk up here just a little bit more and then we'll head down, okay?
Okay.
See them all?
Yeah, I see them all. Okay, we found the fishies have been found.
Oh, I saw a little tiny one hit it.
Really?
Yeah. Like tiny. Got one.
Oh, lucky.
Oh, it came off. And I'm snagged in a tree.
This is a terrible place.
Yeah.
Come on. One of you.
There it is.
That one.
Got one.
Yay. Yay. Aspen.
How's it feel on that rod?
Huge. Alright. Okay. Yay! Yay, my camera angle sucks. Yay!
You got one.
Fishies!
I just got the smallest fish out of this freaking hole. Oh yeah. The absolute smallest. There we go, nice little rainbow. Right back in there. He chased it. Oh, got another one. My freaking line's all jacked up. Look at that rod bend. Oh, just popped off.
That was a super promising little jaunt down to the creek, and now I am having my dinner made for me.
You both said I'm making dinner.
No, I did not. I just didn't know how to phrase it. Backstory as to why he's making dinner. I told Jake when we got to Payson, I had to pee, I wanted caffeine, and I wanted lunch. Simple request. Stopped at Circle K, got gas, Red Bulls, went to the bathroom. So then I give him like 3 options. I'm like, we could get Burger King, Wendy's, Jack in the Box, or Del Taco. And he's like, what do I want? What do I want? And he just passes all of them. And we don't get lunch, and he's blaming me, saying that he can't think about what he wants to eat while he's driving.
It's not safe.
It would have been safe. I've seen him play Words with Friends while driving.
Not true. Not true.
It's true.
That is illegal.
It's true. It's true. So, we had a fight. We're okay now. But it's touch and go. So, good thing we're in a campground. So, stay tuned for dinner. How do we look?
Frozen.
We're a little frozen. It got colder last night than what we were told it was going to. I wanted to go camping this weekend because it's going to be like 95, 98 degrees in the valley. So that means it's going to be nice up north, right? Wrong! It was 40 degrees right now! It was Aspen's dream come true because we were ice cubes and she loves ice. We were buried in our sleeping bags and she loves digging. We were trapped. We couldn't go anywhere. So she's had a great morning. So wait. All Jake brought was shorts.
Yeah.
There's not a pair of man pants in this car. I brought a few pants, but yeah, this is, and it snowed yesterday. I mean, it's just, you know what, weather people, you're fired. You're just fired. You guys suck. So now we're gonna take a little drive, see if there's any animals up. I'm gonna eat my breakfast of champions, a Lunchable. And then when it warms up a lot, we'll go fishing again. Stay tuned.
Look at them all.
Aspen?
Where are you going, Aspen? You can't just jump off of something like that. They're all scary now.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah. Definitely more spooky this morning. Aspen?
Yeah, you figure like that's where they'd be.
Yeah.
You know? Like in the current.
Doing fish things.
Yeah.
Instead, they're all just like piled up over there. I don't know what to do.
These are all my friends. This is what we usually do. We just hang out. I've got a little nymph on, so
Yeah.
I was just giving it a try.
That's neat.
Got it.
Nope. Okay.
Oh, wow. I got a big one.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that rod bend.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shoot.
Aspen, we got fish.
Dang it, that's a far drop.
Yeah. Careful.
I am. Where'd it go? It's underneath this rock.
Yeah, Aspen, I know.
Huh?
We're so excited, sweetie. Yeah. Oh my.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
First one of the day.
That's a good one.
Not a bad fish.
Yeah.
Got the hook out. There it is. Look at that guy. Beautiful rainbow. And there he goes. Just fog that water. Okay, there you go. Stop it. Got him.
Yay!
There you go.
Yay! Oh, pretty.
Yeah.
Pretty one. You got her?
Sight fishing the rainbow trout. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Aspen wants it.
Well, yeah.
That is a pretty one.
Yeah. There we go. Got twisted. There we go. Okay. Go away.
Be
Okay.
free. Got him.
Yay! This one's even prettier.
Yeah.
Can you take a thumbnail, do you think?
Yeah, we can. Where's the camera?
I would just use your phone.
I don't have my phone on me.
Where's your phone?
In the car?
Oh, well.
I don't have service or anything. Alright, so morning session went alright. We got a couple fish, all stalkers. I might have caught one stream bred rainbow in there, but they're tiny. But still, all in all, we got away pretty good before the crowd started showing up. We just had about 15 razors drive by and about 5 to 6 trucks drive by. So I think it's going to get pretty busy down in here today. It is Easter weekend, so you know everybody's coming up north. We got a bunch of people camped next to us on all sides. So we're thinking about we might make a move and go somewhere else, but we're not 100% positive yet. So stay tuned. Thankfully it's warm. Last night I thought I was going to freeze to death, so thankfully it's warm today. So stay tuned. We're going to probably make a move here soon. Go somewhere else.
Here we are again. We left our camp spot. Some neighbors rolled in and I realized I don't like music. They just started playing really loud music and we knew we didn't really want to stay there anyway, so packed up, driving around, seeing if maybe there's anywhere else we can stay or we might just go home. But we'll see. Aspen's just hanging out.